and gentlemen, I'm with Mr. Ari and Cars right over here, and we are with his STUNT. So obviously it's a car that you go full send with, and that's all this guy knows how to do is go full send. So today we're gonna do some launches with the car. He just got this car, what, like 2 weeks ago maybe?
Dude, 9 days ago.
9 days ago?
I've already went through all my interior fender flares,
Nice.
whatever they're called.
He sent it, the fender lining is now gone.
Both sides.
It looks like the mufflers are also gone, right over there. They might have fallen off in the same sequence as the fender liner did. So for better or for worse, it sounds great. And we're gonna send this thing. We're gonna do some 0 to 60 times, probably get some quarter-mile times. Is the car stock?
It's all stock.
Car stock. We're on radials in the back. These are the NITROUS
NT555 R2s.
NT555 R2s. That's a mouthful, but I guess we got it right. And I see he polished his wheels for the occasion.
I literally sprayed.
That is a joke. He sprayed them. But we're going to be using a Draggy today. And this is not a paid sponsorship by any means. I wish it was, but it's not. Draggy is a little device that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. And it tells you your 0 to 60 times, your 60 foot times, your quarter mile, your half mile, and also your mile per hour. So we're going to do some tests with this Hellcat today. Do some launches. You know, as you guys know, I'm a big drag.
You're a big drag.
I'm a big drag guy.
Drag, I knew it.
Big drag strip guy. I like to go to the drag strip. And I've been going to the drag strip for about 18 years now. And I'm going to teach Ari a few things that he probably didn't know about the Hellcat, because my good friend Nick had a Hellcat at one point. And that thing was damn fast, and he launched the shit out of it. So I'm going to show Ari how to do that with his STUNT right over here.
This is legit, not for the time, but just look how these things stick. No launch.
So just that was just a pre-run, obviously, as you guys
Didn't even launch it.
He said it was a pre-run. So the quarter mile on that came in at 12.1 seconds, which is pretty good actually.
For not even trying.
For not even trying. 0 to 60 at a 4.2, which obviously we can get better than that. That was just a trial run. Tires are cold. We haven't warmed them up yet. That's pretty cool. So check this out. Pretty neat stuff here. That's where we're currently at. That was just a trial run. There it is.
Alright, do it. I'm crying right now, I'm crying. Oh my god.
He needs some milk.
I can smell again. I feel alive! Alright, so I'm gonna go outside. I want you guys to see this from the outside. Holy f***ing bro, I mean, this is like a one-time thing. You just go inside once, you don't even have to go again. Like, you don't want to go again because, you know, you just don't want to go again. So I'm gonna go outside, film this flyby. Enjoy.
Alright, so we're gonna do a pull right now. Ari is filming from the outside, so I'm gonna show you the in-car cam, then the flyby cam. Here we go. Let's do it. So I don't know if you guys can hear this, but the wind is pretty strong out here. But Ari, how was your experience with the driver, man?
Listen, I don't know if you guys have ever been on a roller coaster and then you didn't expect it to kick in. That shit kicked in. I'm now just coming back to reality. That shit was crazy, bro. Seriously.
You got sent.
Dude, honestly, my camera went through my face.
Oh,
I
man.
got fucking sent, dude. I got fucking...
All right, so we're gonna do a roll race, a first gear roll race, which I think is advantage to Mr. Hellcat because he has drag radials, but we're gonna get the best of it. So first gear, no nitrous against the stock Hellcat. Hellcat makes 707 horsepower with the crank. Viper's at 600 wheel without nitrous. So we're gonna get some B-roll of the car and we're gonna get this show going on a roll race first gear until who knows what. Let's see how it goes. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. The stock Hellcat versus the non-nitrous ACR. We're all out of nitrous. Those high-speed pulls really took a number on the nitrous and we're dead empty. So we're going no nitrous. The arming switch is off. That would be on. That's my heater. We're keeping it off and off. All right, let's do it. There's a car coming, but after that, yeah. This is probably security telling us we have half an hour. Yeah, let's go to about, I would say, yeah, any speed, but 3 honks, because I'm not on nitrous. I don't care about RPM.
Go off the line.
We could. But I'll wait for your honks though, because I'm stick shift. I have to use my hands.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go offline. I haven't launched this car yet, but we're gonna do it. Not yet with this clutch, I mean. I haven't launched this car yet with this clutch, so we're gonna test it out. Hopefully it holds up. Never launched it before.
You never launched your car before?
Not with this clutch.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You ready? Wait till that Honda passes or what?
Yeah. All right. So I had traction on the first time. We're running it back. We're gonna do a 5-mile-an-hour roll because we're on a little bit of a slope and I'm rolling right now and that's not good. So we're just gonna roll into a 5-mile-an-hour, and when you go 3 honks, we're gonna hit it. All right, ready when you are. The low end is so bad, but we're gonna go back and do probably like a roll race, maybe like a 30-mile-an-hour hit, and we'll see where that goes. I got gapped, so I want to do like a 20-mile-an-hour hit. Yeah, let's go from here. And the reason why, I'll explain to you why I got gapped. I lost the race, but it's because that low RPMs, there's no power in this thing. No, it's NA.
You want to do a nitrous?
No. 40. Let's go a 40 roll. More in my favor now. More in my favor.
Right.
Let's go. I think on the 40 roll we'll get him. Only because my RPM is so low at 20 miles an hour. So let's see. Hopefully. I mean, that sucks otherwise. Let's go. I think Ari forgot to honk. All right, so this guy just called me out. The first 2 races were not in my favor, obviously. First one I had traction control on. Second one, what happened? I don't know. But I think I just lost that one. But 20 miles an hour sucks for me. It's a worse speed. But now Ari proposed that we will do a 40-mile-an-hour hit.
Yeah.
You
No, but let's make it exciting, okay?
Yeah, but
because look, I don't think you're trying. I really think you should be smoking me, honestly. So let's do this. I will bet you $10,000, legit $10,000 from a 40 roll. On the 3rd honk, I'll take you. One shot only. Even if you slip, you miss the gear, whatever, same goes for me.
No chance.
10 grand.
No chance. He's not going to beat me. I'm going to win this race. I'm going to go 10 grand home. Right. Christmas is around the corner. I got a lot of gifts for me from my loved ones, so let's do it.
All right, let's go.
Done. You're done. All right, we're going to go no nitrous. We're going to do 10 grand. I better win the race. No nitrous.
All right.
Let's do it. 10
grand.
I'm going to be 10 grand richer right now. I legit can't hear you honking.
Oh my
I swear. Why do you think it took off early? I didn't hear anything. Here. I got an air horn for you.
Hey, I got a better.
I legit couldn't hear anything. And I think it would have been heads up, honestly. So I want you to use the air horn.
All right, so he says you couldn't hear me honk. That's why I won. But we did make a deal. What was the deal? Oh my God.
That's the deal. Here, run it back.
What was the deal, though?
I didn't even hear you honk. I don't even know if you honked.
What was the deal?
The deal was 10 grand, but you didn't honk.
But it was no matter what, right?
No matter what.
Okay, so you want double or nothing?
Yeah, I want a double or nothing with the air horn. With the air horn, yeah, like that. Like
okay,
that.
bro, so it's 20, if I win, 20 grand.
I'll give you 20 G's and I'll buy you a new set of tires. Let's go.
Are you that confident?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
So now we're doing double or nothing. I gave the guy an air horn, so this time he can actually honk. And let's do it. Double or nothing. 20 G's on the line and a new set of rear tires for him if I lose. But let's do it. Too soon. So yeah. Thank goodness we won that race. Wow. Wow, that was a showdown. That was one for the books. Holy shit, that was sick.
It was a
Hold on.
entrance.
This man says that he won the race.
I won.
I don't know, guys.
Where was the finish line?
Bro, I passed you.
You did not pass me. I was stuck on a gear, bro.
An excuse.
It's not an excuse.
He was stuck in
Where
a gear.
was the finish line?
Bro, we hit 3 honks.
Where was the finish line?
I passed you.
Oh, where was the finish line?
Well, I don't know, you stopped going after I passed you.
Exactly, because I won.
After I passed you, you stopped going.
I let off the gas,
come on.
bro.
Listen, man, listen.
I won it, bro.
There's no way that was a W for you.
It was a W.
I think you walked about half a car on me, and I think I pulled you at about 120
You pulled when
miles
I
an hour.
decided to stay on fourth
man.
gear, bro. And
Why
I
did
was
you
like,
stay
fuck
in
it.
fourth gear? You forgot to shift.
No, because I was sitting here like, dude, where's the finish line? How far are we going?
All right,
Run it
listen.
Run it back.
Sequel, if you guys want to see a run back. I think I won. You think you won. I'm happy I'm gonna pay this guy 20 grand and a new set of tires.
No, bro,
the new
no,
set of
bro.
tires.
Bullshit. This is what we're gonna do. He's right. We're gonna do a part 2. We're gonna bring cash.
Yes.
30 fucking grand.
Yes.
I will go 30 grand on this.
Yes.
And we will put 60 grand in in a very trustworthy man's hands. He's gonna hold it at an actual finish line. We're gonna have
You're
all start
not gonna
markers,
win.
everything.
You're not gonna win.
30 grand, and I'll even fucking give you the pink to my car.
You're not gonna win this race.
I'll go pink to my
There's
car.
no way you're gonna win.
Put the pink up to your car.
Absolutely.
All right,
You have
pink
no
slips
chance.
and 30 grand.
You have no chance.
All right, guys.
You have no chance.
In the comments below, let me know if you want to see this race.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Give my damn air horn back.
100% you saw that, bro. 100% you saw that.
All right, with that, guys, comment below. Make sure you follow Ariane Cars. We're gonna do this shit again. He says he won. I said I won. I think the game is over. We're gonna run it back in. I passed him pretty good top end, and he let off after I passed him. So comment below who won the last race. That was the only real race. The first race I was at like half a mile per hour, 100 RPM. The second race, I didn't hear the guy honk. So I don't know what to tell you guys. You guys tell me what you think. We're gonna run it back. The man said we're gonna go 30 grand on it, and he said he's gonna put a piece of his car. I want a Hellcat because that shit's fun to send. So we're gonna run it back and we're gonna win this race. And you guys are gonna see a Hellcat, Ari's Hellcat, on our channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys comment below, and we'll see you later.